Are you ready?
Yes!
Look, we can see a party snapper. Ah, a lot? Voxton, look, what's he doing?
He's making giant party snapper.
Ooh, you did a great fish!
Okay, let's watch Firework. Firework level 1. You entered towel paper. Cardboard for parts. Fireworks butt.
No, that's a bottom.
Glitters go inside the firework. A gunpowder. Watch out, you're gonna burn yourself. Good thing you didn't got cooked. A top parts.
Voxton, is that a wick?
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
This thing is spinning and flipping downwards and crash.
Time for level 2.
Is that a pipe? No, Shelley, that's a brown pipe. More gunpowder, glitter strings, gasoline, and grenade.
Are you ready for level 2? 3, 2, 1.
Is that a rocket?
No, that's a missile.
Level 3.
A fireworks made of pipe. Whole gunpowder. My dad's picture.
What's in my white briefcase?
A glow stick. More gasoline to make it better.
Three, 2, 1.
Boom!
Yay, no more asleep. It is daytime.
Bye guys, and... Oh, what's happening?
I think that's supernova, not sun.
And oh.